Hello, I'm Rashmi from an English Nut. In this lesson, we are going to talk about two expressions, I used to and I am used to. I used to and I am used to. These two expressions sound similar but actually are different and are used differently. Okay, so first let's talk about I used to. I used to play basketball. It means I did the action continually in the past, but now I don't do it anymore. Make sure to use the bare infinitive with I used to. I used to play, I used to eat, I used to read, etc. Let's have a look at another example. I used to like her. It means I used to like her in the past, but now I don't like her anymore. I used to live in Delhi, but now I live in Mumbai. Let's have a look at some negative sentences. I never used to go to bed early, but now I go to bed at 9 p.m. I never used to read a cookbook when I was young, but now I do. Okay, now coming to the expression I am used to. I am used to drinking coffee. It means at first drinking coffee was unusual. Drinking coffee at first was a bit strange, but now it has become familiar. I am accustomed to coffee. I am used to reading storybooks. It took me a while, but I am finally used to using the new gadget. Negative sentences. I'm not used to talking French. I'm not used to studying so much. You always have to use the ing form of verb after I am used to. I'm not used to traveling so much. I'm not used to being around new people. Friends, I have a bonus expression for you, and the expression is I'm getting used to. For example, I'm getting used to speaking Sanskrit. It means I'm not 100% familiar with Sanskrit, but I will be eventually. It's an ongoing process. I'm getting used to driving. Friends, that's the end of the lesson. Do like, share, comment, and subscribe. See you soon. Have a nice day.